Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today video would be very important topic: active income versus passive income, guys. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Final of the video, you should share your thoughts, which one you want, active income or passive income, guys. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so this is a chart of active income versus passive income. So here within one or two charts you will get a clear idea about which is best for lifestyle as well as living independently, guys. Okay, so myself, I want to live independent, so you can choose those, guys. Okay, so active income is like you work for your income daily 9 to 5, or if you are working, if you are an employee, you are an active income person, guys. Okay, and involvement needed for a job. There is an involvement needed. Without that, they will make you to quit your job. Okay, so without involvement you can't be in active income, guys. Okay, and fourth, schedule. If you are an employee, you can't take a day immediately. If you want to go for a trip or if you want to spend with family, you can't take immediately leave, guys. Okay, because that's a forced schedule. You should work for the day. Okay, so that's a forced schedule. And less risk, less reward. Okay, so if you are an employee, it's a less risk. Okay, it's a less risk because company owner, he's the boss, he's only taking risk, and you are taking less risk, so you will be getting less reward also. Salary will be also less. Okay, so if you are a 30,000 earner for monthly, per day you will be getting 1000 rupees, guys. Okay, 1000 rupees. So for that 1000 rupees only you are working. Okay, that's your income. Okay, guys, so no investment needed, guys. Okay, so for your job you don't want any investment, you can work for your income, guys. Okay, and steady income. For if you're an employee, you will be getting a steady income, guys. Okay, maybe up to few years it will be coming similar. After 3 years, 5 years, it will be like 5,000 increment, and 10 years it will be like 10,000 or 20,000 increment, like that it will go. So it will be steady income, guys. Okay, low. So let's come into the passive income, guys. Okay, so money works for you. If the office company owner, okay, he already invested a lot of money and he made the office, so a lot of people working in the office, so that money will work for him. He don't want to work, or he don't want to do anything in this office, but still the company works for him and make money for him. Okay, that's what money work for him. Okay, hands of income. Okay, he will be getting hands of income because already he created a network, so that network will work for him, guys. Okay, so without, he is not available in the office also, still the network will work for him, so hands of income he will make. Okay, no schedule, it's a freedom. Okay, he don't have any scheduled things, guys. Okay, he don't want any scheduled things. He have a freedom life, anytime, anything he can do. Okay, if suddenly if he want to go abroad trip also, he can go. He can do anything at any time. He don't have any scheduled things. He can do anything, guys. He has a freedom life. Okay, more risk, more reward. More risk because already he invested a lot of money and made his office. Okay, so already it's a more risk. Okay, and big reward because he's a investor and he's getting big reward also, guys. Okay, and involves investment. He is a businessman, so he is a owner of the company, so I'm sure there will be investment must. Okay, so he is investing and he will be getting big money investor, as well as he is getting big reward also, guys. Okay, so cash flow stream. So cash flow streams like first month some lakhs, second month more lakhs, and third month more lakhs. After 2-3 years more crores, something will come. So that's the power of an passive income. If you create a network, that will work for you. Like if I'm an employee in a company, for that my salary, I will work for that. And the company owner, okay, he's working, right? His boss will be always boss because all the people are working for him. So all the people are working to make money for him, guys. Okay, so he will be the boss of the everything. So the boss will be getting passive income, and the employee will getting the active income, guys. Okay, so this is the thing. See here, 4 types of active and passive. Active side 2 and passive side 2. Active income will like employed, self-employed, and passive income be like big business investor. Okay, employee is like just he's a 9 to 5 who is working, he's an employee. Okay, self-employed is like small businesses like it will take some small something, simply big business he's doing, right? That's self-employed. Okay, money working for you. Big business is like shopping mall, theater. Who is the owner of that person? It's a big investor. He already created something that will work for him to make money. Okay, so an investor is the people who invest crores of money to some big businesses, and multiple crores of businesses, multiple crore of money, guys. Okay, he is the investor. So here active income side is employee and self-employed. Okay, the passive income will be big businessman as well as the investor, guys. Okay, so this is a easy chart. Active income person need to work for something. If he is not working, he don't get salary. His salary will get reduced, guys. Okay, passive income person, he can do anything. If he want to sleep for a day, you can sleep. If he want to do anything for a abroad schedule also, he can do anything. So that's a freedom life he will be getting. Okay, this is the thing. Leverage income is residual passive income. Okay, so okay, here if you have a job, time you are spending for that person. If you have a job, your time will be spending for that person. Okay, and here as a self-employed also, you own a job. Okay, so time you are spending for that person, so there is no leverage. Okay, but for here as a big businessman, you own a system, you own a network. Okay, so the people will work for you, so the time is yours, the leverage is also yours. Okay, so the people, you already created a network, so the network will work for you, guys. Okay, so and next one, big investor also, money works for you, because I am investing big amount of money, so all the people are working for me. Okay, all the people are working for me, so I am a passive income person. Okay, a lot of people are working for me, so I can sit, relax, and I can live my life independently, guys. Okay, guys, so which one you want? Employee, self-employed, businessman, investor, which one you want? You can choose these guys, active income or passive income. Okay, guys, myself, I need passive income, because I know because of this passive income which life we can live independently and create ahead in future. Okay, yes, passive income have the great future. Okay, active income, I don't like to work 9 to 5 and I don't be doing something blah blah stuffs and all. Okay, like I love passive income, so I'll be doing a lot of things to create my passive income, and I am doing for my future too, guys. Okay, so you can think about it and you can choose your which one you want, guys, active income or passive income. Don't forget to comment your answer, guys. Okay, and that's the end, guys. So finally we'll see you in another great video, guys. Don't forget to comment your answer, guys. Thank you so much.